Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Look for Discord in the list of running processes. You may see more than one Discord process running in the background. Right-click each Discord process and select End Task. Once everything is closed, try opening Discord again. If Discord still does not work, try running it as an administrator. Find the Discord shortcut on your desktop or search for Discord from the Start menu. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. This gives Discord the permissions it may need to launch correctly. Another fix is clearing Discord cache files. First, close Discord completely from Task Manager again. Then press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. In the folder that opens, find the Discord folder, right-click it, and choose Delete. After that, open Discord again and let it create fresh files. You should also check your date and time settings. Right-click the clock in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. Then click Sync Now. Incorrect time settings can sometimes prevent Discord from connecting properly. After completing these steps, Discord should work normally again on your PC. Thanks for watching.